Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to prepare this 3D model into 2D drawings. Select File, select New, select the template, drawing template, Create. So here click right mouse button, select Base View. This is the front view. I need one more view, top view, ISO view. Okay. So otherwise here also base view is there, base is there, you can click directly here. I will change the scale. Next give the dimensions, select annotate, select dimension, start with base dimension 120 and overall height is 45 mm. And this is 5 mm. This is also 5 mm. And this degree is 96 degrees. This height is 20 mm. In this tutorial I will show you how to give the symmetric tolerance. So just double click this dimension. Here you can see precision and tolerance. Click that. Here select symmetric. We need 50 micron plus or minus. Okay. So width of the job is 45 mm. Give the view names, front view, okay. So that's it friends. First they will cut the raw material as per the base dimensions 120 by 45 and 45 mm, and also they will keep 5 or 10 mm extra for machining. After that they will do these two sides cutouts, then they will do V groove. So here also we need to provide center lines. So click this and this. So there is a center line. I hope you like this video friends. In the upcoming videos I will show you how to give the tolerances and GD&T symbols. So I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.